Today in our kitchen we are making chicken malai boti, the small chicken cubes with vegetables on a stick. It is perfect for Ramadan and can be enjoyed with mun chutney. Our first step is to marinate the chicken. For the marination, these are our ingredients. We need 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste, 2 chicken fillet cut into cubes or 250 grams of boneless chicken, 2 tablespoons of double cream yogurt, I'm using the Woolworths one, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice, roasted coriander powder, ground fenugreek leaves, roasted cumin powder, red chili powder, and salt. All our spices we are using 1 tablespoon each. In one large bowl, add in the chicken, then we're going to add our triple G paste, and then our spices. Then our oil, and then the lemon juice, and lastly the yogurt. And then we're going to give it a good mix. After you have mixed in everything, we're going to cover it and leave it for about 2 hours at room temperature. While we wait for our chicken, dip about 4 to 6 skewers in water so that the skewers don't burn while we are frying our chicken, and slice some onion and bell peppers into small squares. After 2 hours, our chicken is ready. And now we're going to prepare our sticks by adding bell pepper, then the chicken, followed by the onion and the chicken again. And this is how we're going to prepare our sticks. You can use any vegetables of your choice. For our second stick, we're going to start with the onion first. There's no particular order, you can play around with this. And then we're going to do exactly the same for our second and our third one. It's important that your chicken slices are big enough to fit on a stick. And then the same for our third one. This time I'm starting with the bell pepper first, but you can start with anything you want. If you do not like vegetables, you can also enjoy it with chicken only. At this point, you can pop all of these in a Ziploc bag and freeze it for future use. But we're going to fry them. So if you have any extra material, you can brush it on top. In a grill pan, drizzle some oil. Make sure the pan is heated and place our sticks carefully. We're going to let our sticks cook from one side before turning them. And remember, I've cut them into cubes and cube has 4 sides, so all 4 sides have to be cooked equally. And now we're going to turn them. When it has turned goldenish brown, that's how you know that they have cooked properly. And then we're going to squeeze some lemon so you can get that tangy flavor. Turn them in intervals so all 4 sides can be cooked nicely. And this is our last time turning them. We're going to check all our sides that they have cooked nicely and gotten that golden brown color. And then when they are done, we're going to take them out on a paper towel so the oil can be absorbed. And then I'm going to place them on my garnish plate with lettuce, cherry tomatoes, onion slices, and lemon slices. And our chicken malai boti is done. I hope you liked this video. Please do give this a thumbs up. And this is our first episode of Ramadan series. Please do comment what I should make next for Ramadan.